How to use NordVPN on smart TV. So to be able to use NordVPN on your smart TV, first thing that you need to do is to download NordVPN's Android app to your smart TV. If you have not signed up with NordVPN, you can do so directly via its website. You'll have to download the NordVPN app via the Google Play Store on your smart TV. Using your smart TV, open the NordVPN app and log into your account. Select a server location in the region you'd like to connect to. For example, a US server can be used for Disney Plus, Netflix, and Hulu, while a UK server will work with BBC, iPlayer, and Now TV. You'll now be free to open the restricted streaming app to access the content you'd like to watch on your smart TV. If you run into any issues, clear the cache or try a different server. If your smart TV does not come with Android OS, Smart DNS is a helpful feature which is included with your NordVPN subscription. When you open an app or visit a website, DNS is used to look up the relevant IP address, connecting your device to the appropriate web server. DNS servers are usually provided by your ISP and they can be used to identify your current location. Smart DNS uses the VPN's private DNS server, so you'll be able to choose the region which your request will be resolved. It's quicker and easier than installing NordVPN on your router, and it works to access geo-restricted content. However, unlike a VPN, encrypted so your device won't be as well protected while using Smart DNS. So to be able to activate NordVPN's Smart DNS, first, you need to ensure that you've disconnected from NordVPN to begin. You'll need to connect the same network with your smart TV and your secondary device. Log into NordVPN website on the secondary device and go to your Nord account. Click Services, then NordVPN, and click Enable on the Smart DNS tab. Next, you'll need to click Activate Smart DNS, and the process should only take a few minutes. Once complete, you'll be able to freely use Smart DNS on the Wi-Fi network your smart TV is connected to. In your TV's internet settings, replace the default name servers with Nord's DNS server address. And that is how to use NordVPN on smart TV.